just completed one of our latest Subaru packages. We're very happy with the results, so come and follow me and I'll show you what we've done. Hey, it's Patrick from Possum Bourne Motorsport, and today we're going to talk about Kyle's 2011 WRX STI. This is a New Zealand new version with the 2.5 litre, and with the brief of the job was to get a really fast car that can be used for back road driving and the occasional track day, and still feels punchy but has a lot more power than stock. Let's start talking about the engine first. So when the car came in, it had a problem with the engine. It wasn't running, and it turned out that it had run bearings. So we replaced the crankshaft with a new OEM nitrided crank. Then we've installed mainly HBM forged conrods and JE forged pistons. We have reinforced the block with our PBMS closed deck modification, and we've made improvements to the oil system by our oil gallery modification, a baffle sump, and we've also fitted a 12mm oil pump. We've installed ARP 2000 heat studs, and we have performed our PBMS Stage 2 port and polish to the cylinder heads, fitted them with Kelford high pressure valve springs and 264-260 cams. That combination has been chosen as it is a good choice for this car, which will be road driven. We'll have some track use, so we have power early on, and we will be able to hold it longer than the factory cam, so the perfect combination for this setup. Now coming to the bolt-on upgrades, which complete our Stage 7 package. We've had a pre-existing 3-inch downpipe that's retained, and we fitted Invidia R400 Cat-back exhaust. We've also installed PSR stainless steel headers and uppipe, and they've been ceramic coated for heat management. On the intake side, we've got a Process West 76mm intake, and we've fitted a PSR turbo intake pipe and Process West front mount intercooler kit. The TGVs have been deleted. The blow-off valve has also been upgraded to improve the appearance, the sound, and it is more suitable to this power level with a Turbosmart dual-port blow-off valve. The turbocharger fitted is a GCG GTX3071R, which bolts onto the factory location and has proven to be a very good turbo. It has great response plus good top end power capabilities. It is a quality turbocharger that has proven itself build after build, and we're happy to put our name behind it. The fuel system also had to be upgraded to support this power, so we had a DW65 fuel pump in tank. We fitted a Radium surge tank in the engine bay with a Walbro 450 litre fuel pump, It comes with an inbuilt fuel pressure regulator, and we fitted 1000cc injectors to complete it all. So on this chassis, as well as the VAB chassis, the factory fuel hanger is fairly restrictive, and once you are pushing this much power, there are basically two options, which is either an improved in-tank hanger, which Radium also offers, or an external surge tank. Both options are good, but we have found the surge tank to be the preferred choice for us, as it does have the surge tank capabilities. It is compact and has an integrated fuel pressure regulator. It will reduce the cost, so it's the simpler and better package. Another common problem on these, with coming up to 10 years slowly, is that the factory radiator the top tanks are made out of plastic and they tend to fail. So that was not going to be an option for us, and we've opted for a Koyo aluminum radiator that has improved cooling capabilities, and it's also full aluminum, so no more risk of brittle plastic. There are a bunch of minor variations to our Stage 7 package. One of them is the ECU. So we would normally run this on a ECU tech, which gives us great tuning capabilities and a very good result. Kyle wanted to take it a step further, and he's going to use the car a lot for track days. So we've chosen an Emtron ECU, which has lots of motorsport capabilities. We can add safety features, which we have done. So we have installed a bunch of sensors in this vehicle, which include oil pressure and oil temperature, as well as fuel pressure and fuel temperature. They have been set up in the ECU with safety features. So in case one of those values is out of spec, it can protect the engine, prevent it from more serious failure, which of course no one wants. This is a highly built engine, so it can save you a lot of money in the long term. So with the Emtron, it allows us to activate the motorsport features over existing buttons in the vehicle. So we've gone for activating them via the cruise control button. So once you press that, we have now got anti-lag and launch control activated, and by the simple press of a button. Keeps popping. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but as soon as the anti-lag is on, you can hear it popping a whole lot in the exhaust there. You can hear it on the front as well. Handling wise, this car already had BC Gold Coilovers installed, and we've now fitted Whiteline front and rear sway bars with heavy duty links, and we've also improved the brakes. So we have fitted slotted rotors in the front and DBA pads front and rear. So the question everyone wants to know, of course, is how much power did it make? And we're very happy that it ended up with about 315 kilowatt on 23 psi, and that is running just 98 pump gas. We are utilizing the SI drive in this car, so we have 3 different power levels. Sport Sharp, obviously we have the full power. Sport, we have still got 293 kilowatt, and then in intelligent mode, we're back to pretty much a stock STI that has been slightly modified at 218 kilowatt. So this is our Stage 7 package plus our PBMS built engine. We really enjoy this package and we're pretty sure that the customer will have plenty of fun using it on the road and on the track. Thanks again, Kyle. We really appreciate that you chose us, and we'd like to see you back at the next PBMS track day. Yeah. For everyone else, thanks for watching, and if you want to see our next builds, please tune in again.